Why are you recording?
Because I want to record it.
Cute little hummingbird. Come on, you can fly. Come on.
Try to fly.
Come on.
You can do it.
I don't want to lose you and that can't eat you.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on, Daddy. Get up.
Come on, little guy.
Try to fly. Come on.
Try to fly. I'm gonna make this video like 4 minutes long from my channel.
This is gonna be impossible.
Oh, I feel bad for that little guy. Oh, there he is.
Oh,
There
crap,
he goes.
you
There he
scared
goes.
me.
There he goes. There he goes.
Go.
Come on. Come on. Go.
Oh
Oh,
my god. What if it did break its neck?
I think it did. Oh my gosh! It popped up its neck.
What?
It popped its neck up. Oh, you're so poor. If you guys have any money, please donate us. Donate it to us because we need to take it to the van.
I have $2.
Oh my gosh! Look at it.
You're exaggerating.
Its eyes won't even open.
You don't need to donate.
Please donate to this place. I don't know our address, but
This is gonna make me
it's
cry when I
West
get to
Ball
my
Road
house.
2496. I don't know. Just please donate so we can take this little hummingbird to the vet. We think it broke its neck or something. Oh, you poor little hummingbird.
Please
I want to touch it, but what if it starts flying again?
Touch it, see if it flies. Oh,
It won't.
dude, move. Look at its little claws.
Hey, you need to be respectful. Say, watch out.
You're hurting it, Leo.
You're hurting it. That's a rock.
Oh, look at it. It's so little. It's a baby, just so you guys know. Oh.
You know I'm going against Sardine's whales.
Oh.
Get a shoebox.
Huh?
Go get a
Leo,
shoebox.
go get a shoebox.
Oh.
There it goes. Trying to fly. Oh, get it.
Don't go to
Go.
Go, come on. Oh, it's so poor. Please
So
help
cute.
this hummingbird.
Where'd it
by
go?
helping.
You know?
Oh, he was asleep?
No. See its eye open? Its eyes are so cute.
You think the...
What if it is hungry?
I think it is. That's why it grabbed the rock.
You're not supposed to eat a rock.
Get the rock out of your mouth.
You get out.
Get it out, you little humming. Ready? I'm gonna cry when I get to my house.
Get out. Just like...
Wait, it's not gonna eat it. It's not a rock.
Is it?
It's like a grass thingy.
Ugh.
Is that its tongue? That's so weird.
Is it?
Alright, so please donate money to this place. It's Saintry. And thank you. Look at these little precious birds.
Is it breathing?
And please subscribe to this video. And please donate. Give it a lot of likes.
Did it die?
Thank you.
No, Leo, leave it. I think it did die.